In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay Booking.com with Debit Card. By the end, you'll feel confident booking a place to stay and completing the payment securely with your debit card. First, open your browser and go to the official Booking.com website, or use the official app if you prefer. Make sure you see a secure connection in your address bar. On the homepage, use the search bar to enter your destination, your travel dates, and the number of guests. Hit search to see available options. Take a moment to glance at filters like price range, rating, or cancellation policy if you have specific needs. When you find a property you like, open it to review the details. Scroll through the photos, read the description, and check what's included. Pay special attention to the room type, the cancellation rules, and any taxes or fees shown near the total price. Select the room that fits your plans and look for the button that says Reserve or Book Now. Click it to move to checkout. You'll be asked for guest details. Enter the primary guest's full name exactly as it appears on an ID, along with an email address and, if requested, a contact number. These details help the property and Booking.com send your confirmation and any updates. Next, you'll see payment options. Choose credit or debit card. Booking.com accepts many debit cards that have a card number, an expiry date, and a security code on the back. Make sure your card has sufficient funds and is enabled for online or international transactions if you're booking abroad. Enter your card number, the expiry date, and the 3-digit CVV from the back of the card. If prompted, add the cardholder's name and billing address exactly as your bank has it on file. For added security, some banks require a one-time code or verification step. Keep your device nearby to approve that if it pops up. When everything looks correct, click Confirm or Pay Now. Don't refresh the page while the payment is processing. This may take a few moments. For Pay Now bookings, money is charged immediately, so be sure you're happy with the dates, room type, and policy before you proceed. If the property offers a different payment timeline, that will be shown clearly on the page. Finally, wait for the confirmation screen. You should also receive a confirmation email with your reservation details and a reference number. Save it for check-in. If you don't see the email, check your spam folder or your Booking.com account under trips. That's it. You've booked and paid with your debit card successfully.